Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying the ink, ballpoint, gel, or permanent marker. This matters because solvents work differently. Immediately blot with a clean white cloth to lift surface ink. Make sure to press, not rub, so the stain doesn't spread. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer to a concealed area to test for color fastness. Once safe, use a cotton swab to target the stain and keep fresh cloths ready for transfer. Work from the outside toward the center. Now you focus on lifting the ink. Saturate a cotton pad with 70% isopropyl alcohol or acetone for stubborn marks. Remember, acetone can damage some fabrics, so rely on your test. Dab the stain patiently, lifting transferred ink onto the pad and rotating to a clean area. Once the pad shows less transfer, flush the treated zone with cold water to halt chemical action and dilute residue. Make sure to keep blotting, not rubbing, so fibers aren't abraded, and check progress under good light. Finish by applying liquid laundry detergent directly to any remaining mark and gently working it into the fibers. Then launder per the garment's care label using the warmest safe temperature. Air dry the item. Do not use heat until you're sure the stain is gone, because drier heat can permanently set ink. If a faint shadow remains, repeat the solvent blottrant cycle or use a commercial stain remover formulated for ink. If nothing works, consult a professional cleaner for delicate or vintage fabrics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.